It's time to pull the drawing for our November craft packet winner. As you can see, I have written all the names of the people that are in for the drawing, and I want you to see it's all fair and square. And if this person that we draw the name of will contact us, go to dollsrescued.com, the name at the bottom of the screen, and to the bottom of one of the pages on that website you will find my email. In the subject line, put in big letters, all capitals, craft winner, and that way I won't miss it. And I need your address, and if you want the Barbie craft packet or the troll doll craft packet. The second person, or the first person I should say, other than the winner, who leaves a comment at the bottom of this video and says, I want the other, can have whichever craft packet that the winner did not choose. As you can see, I have some projects going on, some Thanksgiving projects going on here with the 17-inch Barbies. I just got a new one and got her all dressed for Thanksgiving. Found some shoes that fit, found some other shoes that fit that I'm making more feminine. And I've got my Pocahontas going. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I put these in, I'm shaking them up. I'm going to throw them on the floor, and the first one that Tiana touches will be the winner. Oh, she got distracted by a cat. Tiana. Of course. All right, there you go. There's your contest winner. Any other time she'd have her face all over them. Who do we have? Athena. Contact me personally.